Today we will see English Fairy textbook of Macmillan's Education 3rd Standard CBSE syllabus. In this we will see 7th poem, The Way of Nature. The way of nature. Warm up. Which natural thing do you like the most? Is it the sun, the moon, the stars, trees, fruits, flowers or lakes and seas? Speak about it in the class. Reading. Let us read a poem written by Trisha Prasad, a young poet. Here she describes the beauty of nature. Oh, the trees! See them cluster, they give you shade, that's the way of nature. They feed you at the right time, they feed you with the right things, that's the way of nature. The earth rotates around the sun, it causes day and night all along, that's the way of nature. The stars and moon pop out at night and there they glow with all the lights, that's the way of nature. The clouds in the sky that look like sheep, they clash together and thunder seeps, that's the way of nature. Oh, the animals see them play with all their might, they go their way, that's the way of nature. The blue ocean spreads so far, it has no end, like a war, that's the way of nature. The mountains high could touch the sky of different size and colors, that's the way of nature. Written by Trisha Prasad. Trisha Prasad is a young poet. She lives in Bangalore with her parents. She has been writing poetry since she was 10. Reading comprehension. Fill in the blanks. We have day and night because the earth rotates around the sun. The stars and moon shine at night and give us light. Clouds clash together in the sky and make thunder. The mountains are of different sizes and colors. Some are so high, they look like they touch the sky. In pairs, draw a picture for each part of the poem. Can complete this activity. Stanza 1 and 2. Trees gives us shade and fold. Stanza 3 and 4. The earth, the sun, the moon and the stars make day and night. Stanza 5. In the sky, clouds look calm but they clash and make a loud thunder. On earth, different animals live together. Stanza 7 and 8. The ocean is so big, the mountains are so tall and of so many different colors. Read these sentences and answer the following questions that follow. They feed you. Who is the poet talking about? How do they feed us? See them play. Who is the poet talking about? What do they do after playing? Vocabulary. Read these sentences. The clouds in the sky look like a sheep. We can also say the clouds in the sky are as gentle as sheep. The highlighted parts of these sentences are examples of similes. A simile is a way of comparing two unlike things. We use like or as to make such a comparison. Fill in the blanks. Nature is as busy as a bee, awesome and as wise as an owl. Time ticks by as graceful as a swan. Under the ocean, beyond the sky, as quiet as a mouse. Remember to fly, always as free as a bird. Every day, look, listen, feel, breathe, nature deep. Some pairs of woods are always used together. They are usually joined by and sometimes by or to. Day and night, rain or shine, bread and butter, right or wrong. Now join the words that go together. Pots and pans, needle and thread, knife and fork, nice and easy, milk and honey. Writing. An acrostic poem uses the letters in the topic word to tell us more about it. The topic word is also the title of the poem. Now write a line for each letter. Read this acrostic poem on the topic word spring. Each line of the poem starts with a letter in the word spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. So many scents and colors everywhere, perfume from the flowers in the air, roses and marigolds smell so sweet, ice is gone, summer songs we meet, nature prints and twirls in delight, girls and boys play day and night. Now write a poem about yourself using the first letter of your name. Use a few similes and words that go together. Then comes the activity. Let us understand why we have day and night on earth. You will need a torch and a globe. Method. In a dark room, shine the torch on the globe. Spin the globe slowly till the torchlight shines on India. It is daytime in India. Can you find 2 countries where it's night time? Spin the globe again. The countries that are in the dark will move towards the light. My word bank. Write the new words that you have learnt in the poem. Okay, complete. Yes, this completes the poem. Thank you.